Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, honorable educators at the speech competition today. Okay, I'm HIZKIA ENOSA ELDEBO. I'm from Public Vocational High School 1 Bendo, Magetan. Imagine, if everyone did not care and we were there, would we also not care? It's why I choose living environment topic, and I'll carry you to know how important save our nature. Okay, starting with renewable energy is very important because the excellence of renewable energy are the first, it cannot run out. Even though we use that many times, it cannot run out because this energy is always there. Second, it's more clean and environmentally friendly. Because if we use renewable energy, we can save our nature, otherwise with fuel combustion from crude oil. As we know, our earth now is very dirty with fuel combustions and chemicals that can destroy the earth. For example, plastic. Plastic are a big problem for many countries in the world because plastic is difficult to decompose. From mangabay.co.id, we know that the Pacific Ocean area filled with plastic waste, now almost as large as the land of Indonesia. Wow, you can imagine how dirty our ocean. And let's imagine again, how many population in this ocean was died because of this condition. How horrifying! Because of this, we must reduce plastic usage. We can change our lifestyle, maybe. If we go to market, try to bring a shopping bag from home and don't always use plastic bag. Apart from reducing the use of plastic, what should we avoid to conserve our nature? Wasteful of water, right? Why? Many parts of the earth, including our country Indonesia, experience extreme drought at times. So we must to learn from these conditions. Let us use water wisely, because drought comes whenever and we don't know when it will happen. So to prevent drought, we must save our rainforest, because water is kept by trees root in the forest. We can get water from soil. It means we must keep our trees. With what? We must not burn our rainforest. Do illegal again? And after we cut down trees in the rainforest, we have to do reforestation to save our trees population in rainforest. Indonesia has many rainforests, especially at Sumatra, Kalimantan, Papua, Maluku, and many more. It can save endangered animals as a shelter and a place to find food, and many others. I'm very sad after hearing news burn rainforest in Kalimantan, because many impacts from this burned rainforest in these islands. Many orangutans, the one of endangered animal in Indonesia, was died because of this condition. Besides of it, the giant snake that looked like an anaconda in Kalimantan was dead too. Ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia has many endangered animals. For example, Sumatran tiger, one-horned rhinoceros, orangutan, elephant, and many more. It's our country's wealth. We must save them. If we let them extinct, how with our next generation? Do we have the heart to see them? Know this animal only by name and picture. I hope my speech today can change our mindset about nature. Thanks for your attention.